Come test drive 2021
2020 Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, keyless ignition, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, electronic stability control, power windows, daytime running lights, alarm, towing package, rear spoiler. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.